So my topic is disease of mushroom and their control. The mushroom are mainly subjected to bacteria, viral and fungal diseases. Once the bacteria is introduced into the farm, it can be carried out by a different agency like air, water, machines and workers. These are the disease and pests of mushroom. Under the fungal diseases of mildew, ground cluster mold, white cluster mold, olive green mold, pink cap, green mold, truffle disease, bubble disease, and dry bubble disease. Under the bacterial blobs and white spot. Under the virus, France, ground disease and watery, street X disease, nugget disease. Under the insects, scarabs, springtail, toads, seaweed and mice. Under the nematodes, mycelio, fungus, nematode and sophro, apellovirus. The fungal disease caused by the bacterium Nendroids. The symptoms are fluffy white, forehead like nodules over the surface of a glassing soil. Initially it is white, but later changed to pink with age. The chief source of this infection are soil, air, wet surface and high humidity. Control is good ventilation and prevent excess humidity. Ground cluster mold is caused by the Petrospora lysina. Symptoms occurs on the cropping trees initially, cloud-like appearance, late change to grounds. Originally fungus thrives in the compost that is high temperature and low wet compost. 28 to 30 degrees Celsius during the spawn run and cropping and more than 80 degrees Celsius is encouraged infection. The control is maintain the suitable temperature during the spawn run and cropping and by treating with 2% for many.
So mushrooms are fungi which produce spores. The mushrooms normally belong to class Arabomycetes, but some mushrooms like moral mushrooms are also part of class Basidiomycetes. Today we are going to see the mushrooms have a style of alias in an escape. Fungi were most likely cultivated for the first time around the year 600 in Asia and in 17th century in Europe. The first controlled cultivation was in year 1707 for edible fungi. In 1800, mushroom cultivation was done in underground stone quarries, where climate is ideal for mushroom cultivation. The first scientific study for mushroom culture was done in 1946 at research station in Nijmegen in the Netherlands. Mushrooms are rich in vitamin B, that is folic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant called selenium. They are also excellent example of anandron and the source of vitamin B. So it is like a boon to all the vegan people who do not consume animal products even like milk. So these are some of the two edible mushrooms which are commonly available. Allica spinaceus, Marcella extendida, Nandinella labiatus, Eurytus, Boratus and Pampelomyces. Nutritive value. Among the many common sources of protein to bring the protein there, mushroom offer themselves as a protein sources. They have got capacity to convert nutritionally valuable granular substances into high protein food. The amino acid composition is listed later.
What is wrong in the units that you are used there?
So they are standard units.
70,000 lb per acre is what? We don't use lb.
They are standard.
So how you convert pounds?
5,000 pounds per.
Yeah, so convert into kilograms per hectare. How will you do that?
So 35,000 investment.
Okay, go ahead.
So these are some of the organisms that are on the mushrooms. Using hydrogen, melanin, tryptophan, glycine, histidine, phenylalanine, chlorine, arginine and nicotine. Mushrooms are high in antioxidant and selenium. It is a mineral that plays a role in enzyme function and helps detoxify some cancer-causing compounds. It also prevents inflammation and decreases tumor growth rate.
There is no molecule called CHOLIN. There is no such substance in universe. आणि मातशे फुडें तूं फक्त वॉकलो दिसता म्हाका. This is third presentation in Mushroom Biotechnology Seminar, October 2019. Go ahead.
So my topic is what makes some mushroom toxic. What are toxins? These are chemical substances that have ability to cause harm to organisms. Mushrooms are known to produce such toxins, which can be poisonous and even which can be classified into 6 groups according to their actions. Those ones which will destroy cells, injure the liver and kill meat. These are present in Amanita bullosa, Amanita vena, Amanita phalloides.
What is lacrimation? Sweating and lacrimation. What is the meaning of lacrimation? Sir, tears? Sir is in tears, yes. Yeah, go ahead.
Then those which affect our nervous system and provoke symptoms such as swelling, lacrimation, vomiting and diarrhea.
Go to next. Yes. Next slide. You tell me you have copied and pasted the information that is not permissible, whole sentences and all those things. From suppose reference 3 means you saw this sentence is good. You have to actually comprehend it and paraphrase. Paraphrase is very important. Have you done that? Paraphrase writing. You see that we do not allow copy-paste business here. You should write it in your own words. Now you paraphrase that top sentence. You write it in your own words. There itself in the slide. Start. And look at us in between.
Chemicals contribute to the toxicity of mushrooms. Amatoxins. These are found in mushrooms such as Amanita phalloides, Amanita operata, Amanita vena, and various other species. Amanitins are a group of complex cyclic polypeptides which damage tissues by inhibiting the RNA synthesis within.
The name of my topic is edible mushroom from tropical island. Over 1 lakh organic known in the world.
Go to next.
Edible mushroom, creamy mushroom, butter mushroom, portobello mushroom, morel mushroom, shiitake mushroom, oyster mushroom, lion's mane mushroom, enoki mushroom, and porcelain mushroom. Creamy mushroom are small to medium in size and have a round head in the.
You will not be seen. Ocharo. Means stand here. Means not behind but here. It's okay. Start.
My topic is ectomycobiota, the edible mushroom.
Go to next. 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 Next.
There are about 7,000 species which are recorded as edible, and out of which 3,000 are prime edible, 200 are experimentally grown, and 100 are cultivated economically, 60 are commercially cultivated, and 10 are cultivated on industrial scale. The nutritional value of
Next. Go back. These are all ectomycorrhizal. What is the reference?
So I give alphabet and
Okay, next. Yeah, talk.
it is the first commercially industrial general in
What is wrong in citation of reference? Reference for this slide. What is wrong? Don't look at them. This is bad. This is cheating. You tell me what is wrong with that UNCK 2016 reference. Do you need the full name or you need only the surname? Correct it. Start. In which state you find this center? State? Where is Himachal Pradesh? No, Himachal Pradesh, where it is located? Which are the states which surround Himachal Pradesh? Go ahead, next. Next, go to next. खूप कॉपी मारले तू. नेक्स्ट. भरपूर मेहनत घेतली. सगळे वेबसाईटच डाउनलोड करून आणल्या. नेक्स्ट. राव एक मिनिट. किती असं एक जस्ट
My topic is on David Moore's work on mushroom development in biology. This is David Moore. His degree was in joint honors in botany and zoology, and his PhD topic was in mutant isolation and linkage mapping in mushrooms, that is Coprolus salivatum. Fungi are not just plants, they are not plants, but they are a kingdom in universe. His research interests revolved around developmental biology, with emphasis on cell biology, physiology, and genetics of mushroom morphogenesis and genetics of cultivated mushrooms. Most work has been done on Coprolus salivia, that is ink-cap mushrooms. Mushrooms are psilocybin mushrooms which contain hallucinogenic substances, and here also known as psychoactive mushrooms. Some examples of such mushrooms are psilocybin cubensis, Semilenchata, Hexicana, sinensis, and ascobensis. Psilocybin biosynthesis. The psilocybin Semilenchata is also known as Liberty because of its large depth, and the classification it falls under division Plastochyta, class Agaricomyces, and order Agaricomyces.
Why you selected this? That was the real topic given, Chinese mushroom industry. Okay, go ahead.
Chinese mushroom industry. According to the state of World Congress from 2018, it says about 27,900 species are found in China. About
1,789 are edible, and about 100 species of fungi are being cultivated, domesticated, and about 60% are being cultivated on a commercial scale. According to statistics from China Scale Enterprises, China Association of Edible Mushrooms, last year enterprises of Shandong province says that there was increase in the.
Go to next slide.
As you can see, let's do the statistical data about 30 billion kgs of mushroom were produced by China. Rest were produced by 1.3 was produced by Asia and about 3.1 was produced by other countries. This is taken from the homepage of the Shanghai Shillong Biodiversity. These are the varieties of mushrooms that are being cultivated. The China factory was production was very low during the year 2006. After the demand has been increasing, so the production was steadily increased by the enterprises and the number of enterprises was increasing from 729 from the year 2014, and the production was increased from 8,000 tons to 1.95 million tons. The production technology is still being primitive. The technology which was being used 20 years ago is still being practiced. The varying mushroom cultivation system is still being practiced in China. The development, the upgradation of the system in the cultivation of mushroom is only being done in the steaming facility, the bagging machine, and the greenhouse equipment are the hardware. This is the greenhouse which was not much researched. It is known as the double slope greenhouse, which is used for agricultural building that provides environment like heat and humidity. On the one side is called as the one which is facing towards the sunlight is called the solar room, and this is the shade room. It was being practiced in the northern China and in a
Next slide. Just next. Short.
By talking to nectarines and mushrooms, these are the contents. Nectarines are proteins which bind to specific carbohydrates, and they are from immune origin. They play a very crucial role in cellular signaling, scavenging of glycoproteins, circulatory systems, and cell interaction. All this occurs due to the carbohydrate and nectarine interaction. Cell signaling is occurred because they are beyond each other and does allow the signaling. Nectarines are widely distributed in animals, fungi, bacteria, and plants. Mushrooms are known for their nutritional, they possess very nutritional
biomedicinal, pharmacological, important bioactive compounds which include lectins. Lectins are found in mushrooms and they are used for taxonomic research, cell sorting, for tumor cells.
Go ahead.
My topic is work of Pennsylvania State University, USA on mushrooms. Penn State Mushroom Research Center is one of the few research facilities in the world dedicated to mushroom research, and the main focus is on improving the commercial mushroom production through test, disease control, and studying the ability, microbial ecology, and population dynamics during the commercial process. Mushroom center. Fabricio Rocha, the scientist Fabricio Rocha Vieira, he is researching upon he is finding the alternative materials that can be used for casing data. And his main question is how the alternative materials can change the microbial interaction with the mushrooms. And this can have an effect, implications in the profits and also food safety. In mushroom sampling, the mushrooms are removed from the bed which is made up of three layers: the compost, the casing, and the mushrooms. The mushrooms are sliced to collect the samples for testing, and they are dropped in the test tube in order to remove the moisture. Dark and light mushroom pig casings are suppress population in Australia and Salmonella. The pig products are widely used in the mushroom industry to prepare the casing soils, and it has been found that the pig casing soils are both the white and as well as the dark pig, they do not provide favorable conditions for the growth of malaria and Salmonella diseases.
Next, go to next. Next. Is it their research? Next. Explain.
So they have introduced a new CRISPR mushroom which is basically
You know the technique? What is the technique?
so in this CRISPR they introduce a Cas9 enzyme upon which the gene which they want the gene is as in the genetically modified blocks, mostly the DNA is inserted from the other bacterial genes. So in CRISPR, either the DNA, the gene which is of interest is deleted from the original mushroom.
Okay, go ahead.
Some of the exclusion techniques of sexual control.
Next. Next. You have to speak specifically to the university research, not anything else. Have they done this? PAU? Next. Next. Why? 왜 소리 유럽안 봐겠네. Start.
My topic is medicinal mushrooms in cancer therapy.
What is cancer?
So cancer is a generic term used for different types of diseases which ultimately leads to death. So these are the subjects which I am going to cover.
These are the different types of mushrooms which are used in cancer therapy. I'll be covering just a few of them. So what are medicinal mushrooms?
Next. Don't waste time. Next.
I'll be covering 8 mushrooms. So first is Schizophyllum communis. Schizophyllum communis is a mushroom which was traditionally used for curing cancer. It contains 3 compounds which are used as anti-cancer compounds. First compound is hydrophobic.
Go to next.
Next is Trametis laminophila. It is commonly called as Phoela mushroom. It is used to treat many types of cancers such as liver, breast, stomach, ovarian and prostate cancer. It reduces MMP expression, that is matrix metalloproteinase.
Go to next species.
Next is Bryophylla frondosa. This mushroom contains compound which boosts immunity. It doesn't act as anti-cancer compound directly, but it boosts the immunity and increases the survival of patients.
How it boosts immunity? What is the way to find out?
It increases natural leukemic cells.
Okay.
Natural lymphocyte cells.
Next.
Ganoderma lucidum.
Next. Yeah, what it is doing? Why it is known as anti-cancer mushroom?
So because the lipid fraction isolated from this mushroom is used to inhibit cancer.
Okay, next.
Substances from mushroom. Antiviral substances present in both mycelium and the fruiting body. One of the first mushrooms recognized for its antiviral activity is Formentarius is a hoop shape that was found in with the tuberculosis virus. The gypsy mushroom is Rosalis capitata found is significantly inhibit the replication and spread of varicella zoster, a virus, influenza A and B, herpes simplex 1 and 2. Shiitake mushroom is antivirus and have the antiviral activities against herpes simplex 1 in several biologically active triterpenes and steroid has been isolated from Ganoderma lucidum and effective against
This is organic composition of the mushroom farm.
Battery down the list of it.
So these are the page. So introducing about the Agaricus vasculus, which is also known as the button mushroom. It is the most edible mushroom. So its production started in Great Britain and Netherlands. This is the description of Agaricus vasculus.
See, your spelling is changing. Agaricus bisporus, what is the spelling? And what you have shown in second slide? Such species exist anywhere. इतले बायोस्पोरस कितें केलां? तुका जाय तशें बरोवपाचें न्हू. आनी की करून आसपाचें वयल्यान. तुका लज दिसना एक बाबा बटन मशरूम आहा ते ताजे स्पेसीस नेम चेंज करून सगळे बायोलॉजी सगळें चेंज करप. म्हणजे बेसिकली एनीबडी विल से दॅट स्टुडंट इज टोटली इनडिफरंट कॅज्युअल. आनी हे ते व्हडले सोर्स सकयल ते कितें फूल कॉपी पेस्ट.
Consists of composting unit. Then the composting unit is divided into outdoor platform and indoor platform. Then the spawn unit, wherein the spawn preparation of inoculation takes place.
What is that 2005 च्या वयर आनीक 5 कित्याक घाला?
Philips 3
Fifth हें कितें?
And with the reference.
And previous you have shown like that only as a superscript. Previous references have come as a superscript. म्हणजे कितें ही स्टायल कितें तुजी स्वताची खांडो कितें पयले 4 रेफरन्सीस खंय पयले 4 कशे तशे पयलीचे फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड वेर दे आर कमिंग नो दिस इज युअर फर्स्ट रेफरन्स previous 3 you have no information means you have no reference for previous 3 slides first 3 slides there are no reference no didn't put means you can't do that go ahead next slide